hold hands! Don't let go!
We're right behind you! I can't walk! The wind is too strong!
Henry, keep moving! We're almost there! Today is our family vacation. Are you all ready for a wonderful adventure?
Everything is packed. Let's make beautiful memories together. Wow, that ship is huge! I have never seen anything so big.
Yes, Alex. Our adventure begins the moment we step aboard. Look! The ocean is so big!
I want to see dolphins today.
Keep looking carefully. You might be lucky. The sea is so beautiful. I never want this trip to end.
Every moment with our family is special.
Dad, I think I saw a fish jumping.
Maybe you did. The ocean is full of surprises.
Our cabin is small, but it feels very comfortable.
I love it already! Mom, I can see the whole ocean from here.
It's a beautiful view, isn't it?
This is one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen. Those clouds don't look good.
I hope it's only a little rain. Good night, everyone. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day.
Sleep well. I'll see you all in the morning.
Dad, what was that loud noise?
Stay calm! Everyone stay together! Everyone, put on your life jackets immediately!
We have to move now.
Lily, keep your jacket tight.
Alex, stay close to me. Henry, hold hands! Don't let go!
We're right behind you! I can't walk! The wind is too strong!
Henry, keep moving! We're almost there!
Dad?
I've got you! Don't let go! Sit down and hold on tight.
Everyone stay together!
Our ship. It's gone.
We're alive. That's what matters now. Are we safe now?
I don't know. But we will keep going.
We made it. But where are we?
We're alive. Now we must survive together.
The sand is warm. This island feels strange. Stay together. We don't know what is waiting for us.
These supplies will help us survive.
Every single item is important.
We must use these supplies carefully.
We'll make every piece count.
Walk slowly and stay close.
Watch every step.
Wait. I hear something. This water feels so cool!
Now we have fresh water.
Dad, these aren't animal tracks.
Someone has been here.
Together, we'll build a safe place.
Everyone is doing a great job.
Henry, something is moving.
Stay behind me. Don't make a sound. Did you hear that? Stay close. Something is out there.
Maybe we'll find someone.
It's only a pig!
That scared me so much.
I'll stay awake tonight.
Wake me when it's my turn.
Look! I see smoke!
Someone could be living here.
Someone lived here. Dad, I found something!
Let's open it carefully. This notebook could save us.
Someone left us a chance.
These fruits are safe to eat.
They're delicious!
One day, this fire will bring help.
We will never stop believing.
Hold the rope tightly. Keep moving forward.
We've got this! Stay together!
Raise it together!
The system is damaged. I need more time. We don't have much time.
Stay together. Help is coming.
I'm trying to be brave, Mom.
Max!
Dad! The water is coming faster!
Don't stop! Keep moving! Lily!
The crack is getting bigger!
Keep moving!
Good morning, everyone. Today will be a wonderful family adventure at the aquarium.
I can't wait, Mom. I want to see the biggest shark.
Everyone ready? Ocean World Aquarium is only a few minutes away.
I can't wait to see the penguins and the underwater tunnel.
Wow! Look at this place! It's even bigger than I imagined!
Come on, everyone. Our adventure begins now.
Welcome to Ocean World Aquarium. Have a wonderful visit.
Thank you. I want to see every exhibit today.
There are so many colorful fish. They're beautiful. Please don't touch the glass.
Max! That penguin is looking at me.
Maybe it wants to say hello.
Lily? They're glowing like beautiful stars. Nature is truly amazing.
Ethan, this has been a wonderful day already.
The shark tunnel is next.
It's like walking under the ocean!
Stay close, everyone.
Control, I see a small crack. Please send someone to inspect it.
This tunnel is incredible.
Dad, did you hear that strange sound?
Maybe it's nothing. Let's keep walking together.
Control, the crack is getting larger. Please send maintenance immediately.
Look, there's a crack in the ceiling.
Everyone stay close.
Please stay calm. Walk slowly toward the nearest exit.
Stay together, no matter what happens.
I'm staying with you, Mom.
Lily!
The crack is getting bigger!
Keep moving!
Max, Mom, water is coming in.
Stay calm. Keep walking.
Emergency procedure activated. Please leave immediately.
Keep moving. Stay together. The exit is just ahead.
Everyone stay close to me.
Max!
Dad! The water is coming faster!
Don't stop! Keep moving!
You're doing great, Max. I'm right here with you. Okay, Dad. I'll keep going.
The exit is just ahead. Stay calm and keep moving!
We made them floshing the S.
Look! The exit is right there!
We can make it!
The door stopped! We've lost power!
Everyone stay calm!
Max, Mom, are we trapped? We'll stay together no matter what.
The system is damaged. I need more time. We don't have much time.
The water is getting higher.
Stay strong. We're almost through this.
Everyone climb onto the platform! Hurry!
Max, take my hand!
Rescue teams are on the way! Hold on!
I hear the sirens!
Stay together. Help is coming.
I'm trying to be brave, Mom.
That's women too, it decide ham cause.
The ceiling is getting weaker every minute.
We must keep everyone calm.
Ethan, no matter what happens, we stay together.
We always will.
Move quickly! Every second matters!
We're almost there!
Everyone stay calm. We will get you out safely.
Thank you for coming.
These safety ropes will guide everyone to the exit.
Thank you. We're ready.
Children and elderly visitors first. Move slowly.
Thank you so much. You're doing so well, Max. Just a little longer.
I'm not giving up.
Carter family, it's your turn. Follow the rope.
Stay close, everyone.
Ethan, keep moving. We're almost safe.
We can do this together.
Hold the rope tightly. Keep moving forward.
We've got this! Stay together!
Raise it together! Dad, I've got you! Don't let go! Stay behind us. We'll keep you safe.
Thank you.
Emma! We made it!
We're safe.
That's it. Keep coming. You're almost safe.
They're making it!
Ethan, they're almost out.
I hope everyone makes it safely.
You're doing great. Just a few more steps.
I'm coming.
Everyone is out. Close the door. Door closing now.
Max!
What was that? The tunnel, it collapsed.
Emma,
We're finally safe.
let's thank the people who saved us.
Everyone looks okay. Just a few small scratches.
Thank goodness.
You're very brave today.
I was scared, but my family stayed with me.
We are deeply sorry. Your safety is always our highest priority.
Lily, I'll never forget today.
Neither will I.
Home will feel wonderful tonight.
I'm happy we're together. Ethan, those rescuers were true heroes.
They saved so many lives.
Emma, today showed us the power of helping each other.
I'll always remember that.
Today was scary, but I was never alone. No matter what happens, we'll always be together.
Good night, Max.